Hi, this listing is for seller Terrell 7144. Up for auction, we have a Child Mission Trundle Bunk Bed. It's a twin over full. It's a very popular item right now, especially with springtime. What we really love about this item is that it's very sturdy. It's not cheaply made. Typically with this supplier, we don't have any returns or any type of negative feedback for this item or anything of the sort. It comes with the proper assembly items required. It comes with the screws and so forth, and it's pretty easy to put together. You just have to make sure you read the instructions, and if you're able to read pretty well, you shouldn't have any problems putting this together. Right now we have it listed at $1199.99. However, that price may go up as we go further into the spring season. So grab it while you can. We typically ship this item out within 5 business days. If there's any type of hiccup in the process, we'll be sure to let you know. We're great with communicating that. Again, this is for a seller Terrell 7144. This is one of our auctions here. The Child Mission bed, pretty popular. Grab it while you can.